life if you ain't got no stake? Why the hell do you need an eye? What does it even mean? They just lean, they wanna be seen. I'm not trying to be mean, but they just keen on some company.